Pubs, restaurants and hairdressers are all preparing to open their doors again in most of England this weekend.
Super Saturday in Oxford means that people here can do what people here love to do.
I know everyone will be looking forward to the relaxation of national restrictions.
They gathered early at the Sally Port Inn in Portsmouth.
Hola everyone, welcome to another video. What day is today, guys? Independence Day! It seems that everything is reopening, and so today we plan to drive as far as we could because England is finally reopened. All the shops are open, everybody is out. Okay, you don't see everybody here right now because it's early. Yeah.
They just had a long drink yesterday.
Yeah, especially all the pubs, right? Oh my god, so full. Yeah. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. Let's go and explore England. Dude, what are you doing?
Stretching my butt.
This is our first stop. We have to do some stretching and we're near Downton Abbey, Highclere Castle, which is in somewhere near Basingstoke. But unfortunately, I think today the castle is actually closed, obviously because of COVID. They might reopen in July 15th though. I'm not sure. We're gonna still try to drive around and see whether there's any entry points where we can see Highclere Castle, which is the filming location for Downton Abbey again. If you haven't watched Downton Abbey, like, why were you watching all this time, man? There's a cathedral or a chapel nearby, which we decided to check out because it looks so nice, but this is not the chapel that they use in the show. Not to be confused with that one, because that one will be in Yorkshire. Yeah, ever since the COVID lockdown, we've been wanting to go out to the wilderness, to the national parks and to the countryside, but we couldn't. So all we've been seeing for the past few, like, was it months already, COVID?
Years.
Years.
It feels like years.
Years, man. And you were supposed to meet Corina at the start of COVID, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that was like a few months ago. So finally the borders are reopened. Hopefully you can meet Corina soon. Corina is his partner and she lives in Austria. The borders are closed in Austria. Is it still closed?
No, it's time to reopen.
Yeah.
But the UK is still in the highest risk, highest category of risk for travelers.
We are COVID exporters.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, they're back. What happened?
Found nothing. Nothing.
Oh, no view. Okay. Oh, this is
the
private.
castle is there.
It's there.
Here's a view.
My goodness, it's a bird head.
What is it? Oh no!
Ooh.
Welcome to UK.
Welcome to
We
the
can
UK.
go to the other way,
Okay.
the other road, and see. Hopefully, we can see.
Yeah, hopefully you can see Downton Abbey. The gate is just there, but we're not allowed in, so I think we're just gonna do another episode of exploring with Cody. Apparently this path is okay, this is a permissible path, but I'm not sure whether we're gonna get to see the castle. Hopefully yes. Let's see. Guys, why are you guys back so early?
We're like, well, it's private property.
It's private property.
Oh, okay.
We can only turn right, which is away from the palace.
Yeah, because it's apparently that way.
That way.
Ah, okay. And we cannot picnic here as well, right?
No picnic.
Not in the water. No swimming.
No swimming. Oh, yeah.
Swimming.
Oh, land of rules. Boo. Oh, you okay?
Iron Age.
Alright guys, so we tried 3 different ways of attempting to view Highclere Castle without entering the grounds. It all failed miserably. So if you ever plan to come here and try to visit Highclere Castle without paying for a ticket, it's quite futile. So yeah, definitely wait until it's reopened, which is I think next week. Right now there's one hill that Rodrigo managed to find out, which is called Beacon Hill, and apparently you can see Highclere Castle from here, according to the, was it TripAdvisor? Yeah, it's quite a climb though. Amalia, can you see it?
Cannot.
Wow, whoever built Highclere Castle is really good at charging people tickets. Like, to the point it's impossible to see it without paying for a ticket. But let's see, we're still not at the top yet. Hopefully at the top we're gonna see it. Oh, by the way, the ticket is still £25? Yeah, if they charge me £50 right now per person, I am willing to pay because I came all this way and it's quite far away from London. I see it! I see it! Like that!
No, not like that.
There!
I see it! I see it! Right there! Yeah! Da, 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 da. Yeah! It actually looks quite nice. We are now hiding to scare them. Okay, let's see. I saw you.